We are at the Northwestern Mutual Day Hospital, aka Camp Hatawada. Their patient rooms are transformed into cabins. So we have Tuckaway Turtle and our Cardinal Chalet.
Are we like actually camping?
Yeah!
Yeah!
Cool, we got it already. We're at camp today.
It's Camp Hatawada.
Yeah, it's the greatest day, and we get to be camp counselors.
But you're able to have fun instead of, being negative.
Activities like this are a motivation for them to get through those difficult procedures. They allow our children to be children. It's just a different feel today.
Have you ever gone to camp?
No.
No.
It just brings, something different, a smile, light, and brings a lot of joy, which is what we need.
It kind of makes me feel like I'm back at camp because I haven't gone in a few years, so it's nice to have this little time now.
It's not focused on medicine for the day, it's focused on the child and focused on their experience. And yeah, I get a little misty talking about the power of a smile and what this program does.
I think it's so fantastic. I really do. She's having a ball. She's over there making her campfire, and she'll talk about this for weeks.
Did you have fun at camp?
Wave your paw.